Hello guys, I am going to show you how to make callaloo bread. So here I have some steamed callaloo and I have 1 1/3 cup of warm milk, and over here I have 2 teaspoons of yeast, and I have 1 tablespoon of sugar. Over here I have 3 tablespoons of vegan butter, and I will be using about 3 cups of all-purpose flour and half tablespoons of salt. And this is very simple, easy recipe to follow, so you can try it out guys and make your own callaloo bread. Alright, so let's get straight into this video. Thank you. So I'm going to go ahead now and add my 3 cups of flour to my bowl. And this is my cup, as you can see. Okay. 3 cups of flour. This is my warm milk, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my yeast to my milk. And I'm going to set this to the side. After letting my dough rest, guys, for about 2 hours, this is my dough, so I'm going to sprinkle some flour here because I'm going to roll my dough out. Alright, it's nice and soft. See my finger going through it. This is how you want your dough. Alright, so I'm going to roll it out. And when you're doing this, do not press down too hard on the dough. Just slightly roll your rolling pin on the dough like this, okay? Just like that. Okay. Okay, so after finish rolling out my dough, I am going to use my pot cover to form out my circles. Okay, so here I have my dough, shape it out. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to fill them. Alright. And you can make your callaloo bread bigger if you want bigger size. You can make them bigger. Okay. Make some space. Right. Callaloo. So you put your filling in the middle, and you can use whatever filling you like to make this loaf. If you want to make this loaf and you don't want to use callaloo, you can use ackee and saltfish, or you can make meat pie. where you can use meat instead of the vegetables. Alright, so after putting the callaloo, then I'm going to fold it like that. You can use the tip of your fingers like this to seal it. I just love this dough. It is very soft and workable. Very nice dough to work with. Alright, so you can do that, or you can use a fork. Okay, so I'll show you that in a minute. So after using the tip of my fingers, my 2 fingers, to seal this Callaloo loaf, then I'm going to punch some air pockets in it, and I'm going to use the fork to punch the air pockets in it like that. Okay, so this is one. Okay, so you just like that. Okay, so that one is finished. So I'm going to put it on my baking pan. Now I'm going to do the second one, and the second one I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can use the fork to seal it. You can also use a little bit of water to just like wet around the edge of the dough when you're sealing it. A little bit of water like that, just a little bit of water on the tip of your finger like that. You can use your fork now to seal it. Then punch some air pockets. Here I have some melted butter, and I'm going to slightly brush the top of the loaf with the butter. And I'm going to bake these on 325 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. The melted butter will give it this nice golden brown color, and it will also give it a nice sheen. The callaloo loaves are all done, guys, so I'm gonna plate it up and come back and show it to you. Guys, here is my delicious callaloo bread. Look how beautiful they are looking. Yes, guys, try this recipe out. It's very easy, very simple recipe to follow. So make your own callaloo loaf, guys. Just buy your ingredients and get in your kitchen and get to work. Look at those. I can't wait to dig into one. Guys, remember to thumbs up the video. Remember to share this video out. Tell a friend. Big ups to everyone who shared the video out. Big ups to everyone who comment and everyone who liked the video. More blessings to you guys. Thanks a lot for your support. Truly appreciate it. To all my new family members, I welcome you guys with a warm welcome. I am happy you're over here. Thanks for joining. If this is your first time here on Delicious Delights, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell to all so you will be alerted every time when I post a video. I don't want you to miss my next upload, so please turn on your post notification bell. So now I'm going to taste one of these Callaloo Loaf. Here I'm breaking into it. It is super hot, guys, but look at this. It is so flavorful. It smells so good. Yummy. Look, guys, look at this Callaloo Loaf. Very, very, very great recipe. Simple and easy to make. So I'm going to taste it and I'm going to tell you how it is tasting. Try out the recipe, guys. Try it out. So I'm going to take my first bite. Wow, so flavorful, guys. Very, very tasty and delicious. I wish you could taste it right now with me. It tastes very good, guys. The callaloo is very flavorful. The dough and the loaf, guys, the bread is super soft, delicious and nice. Try out this recipe. Try it out. Very, very simple and easy. And if you're a callaloo lover, then this is a recipe you would want to try. You can have this for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, you can even have it for dinner if you wish to. Now, guys, remember, if it's your first time here on Delicious Delights and you have not subscribed as yet, please subscribe to the channel, touch notification bell, like the video, comment on the video, tell a friend about Delicious Delights. Thank you guys so much for your support. Take care of yourselves. Put God first in everything that you're doing. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Love you all. Take care of yourselves. And I'm going to see you again in another video. Bye, guys.